Realme V5 confirmed to sport 5,000 mAh battery and 7nm 5G processor, live photos leaked. Realme V5, the brand's first offering in its new V series, is set to launch in China on August 3. The company ahead of that launch has shared a few teasers about the smartphone's specifications. Separately, live images of the upcoming Realme V5 have been shared by a tipster. These reveal the expected color options of the phone, as well as appear to confirm a few other features, including the battery and camera setup. Realme V5 to carry 7nm processor? Realme has shared a few teasers on Weibo, one of which shows the presence of a 7nm 5G-enabled processor. This could be either the MediaTek Dimensity 720 SoC or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. Realme hasn't officially mentioned which chipset brand would be featured in the phone. Another image shared confirms the 5,000 mAh battery, with reverse charging functionality. Another post teases safe fast charging. Finally, another Weibo post by Realme shows the smartphone in real life, with various colleges and universities in China as the backdrop. The color variants seen tip blue and green color variants. Realme V5 live shot leaks. Tipster Riliaz in June, translated, took to Weibo to share some live photos of the Realme V5. One of the images shows the device from the front. A hole punch cutout is visible towards the top left of the screen, staying true to the earlier teased designs of the phone. The screen also displays some of the expected features of the Realme V5. For starters, it is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 30-watt start fast charging. Apart from that, the device is shown to support NSA/S.A. Dual Mode 5G. The leak also confirms a quad rear camera setup, which includes a 48-megapixel primary shooter. From the front, the Realme V5 appears to have a high screen-to-body ratio, with distinctly slim bezels. In another leaked image, 3 Realme V5 models are shown from the rear. It appears to confirm the presence of a quad camera setup, along with 3 different color variants of the device: blue, green, and silver. Realme V5 specifications, expected. Earlier this week, the Realme V5 appeared on a listing on the Chinese online retail site, Tmall. The listing suggested several specifications and features of the phone, including 3 color options of silver, blue and green. Going by the listing, the dual SIM, Nano, Realme V5 is expected to run on Android 10 and have 5G support. It may come with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 pixels, display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. As mentioned earlier, the listing also suggests the inclusion of an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 720 SoC, paired with 2 RAM options, 6GB and 8GB, and an onboard storage of 128GB. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.